Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the unhandled exception using built-in tools. Open Event Viewer and filter for NET runtime entries, especially Event ID 1026. Record the exact NET version such as net4, 8 and note the faulting module name and process ID. Capture the full stack trace and the exception message so you can reproduce the error. Enable first chance exception logging in your debugger to catch exceptions earlier. Also check Windows Update History to verify related framework patches are installed. Next, apply targeted fixes to resolve the root cause and avoid recurrence. Repair or reinstall net4, 8 from Programs and Features, or download the offline installer and run it. Rebuild the application targeting the correct framework and update new, get packages to compatible versions. Check App. Config for binding redirects and consider adding legacy unhandled exception policy when necessary. Ensure file and registry permissions allow the app to load assemblies. Temporarily disable antivirus or add exclusions when installers fail to load. Finally, test thoroughly, monitor post-deploy, and prevent future crashes with automation. Run full unit and integration tests and reproduce the exception under a debugger with first chance exceptions enabled. Add structured logging and exception telemetry such as nlog or application insights to capture stack traces and user context. Monitor Event Viewer and your logs continuously for at least 30 days after deployment to confirm stability. Use continuous integration to run tests before release. Keep NuGet packages updated and prepare an automated rollback plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.